Do you want to know how you can download otter.ai on your iOS device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download otter.ai on your iPhone. Go ahead and search for App Store, and what you need to do is click on the search app over here and then go to the search bar and then search for otter.ai. Tap on otter.ai and click on this get or download button. Wait for a while, and in a while you can see that otter.ai has started downloading on your device. After it has been downloaded, it will be installed and you can start making calls and start recording audios to transcribe them. I hope this video about how you can download and install otter.ai on your iOS device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.